Oh crap, I have a job! Sorry,
You're
sir.
late again.
Huh?
You're late again.
I'm sorry. I know this is only my second day, but I'm gonna do better.
You're late. You've been late like 3 times.
This is only my second day.
Exactly.
Okay, I promise I'll
Okay.
make it better.
Well, I have bad news for you.
What?
We were supposed to hire 8 people, and then we hired like 20. And you were that 20th person. So you're fired. You need to leave.
What?
Get
They're
your
like...
stuff. Get your stuff.
They're living like...
I don't give a crap what they're doing. You have to leave right now. Leave.
This is gonna come back to you in a bad way.
Well, just leave now. Man, another hard day at White Castle. I have like 5 complaints about diarrhea. What's up? You're next. Is he dead? I have a dead body at my house.
What's going on? Oh god. It's a dead body. Listen, mister. First, we're gonna get this body out of here. And then I'm gonna ask you questions. Alright? So, I'm gonna ask you some questions. First question. Do you know who the victim was?
No, I've never seen her.
Fine. Do you have any enemies?
No.
Was there any evidence, blood marks, stabbing wounds?
There's a sign that said you were next.
It's reassuring. Do you have any household weapons, like any firearms? Or
I have a small pistol that's 200 years old. It does not work.
okay, do you know who killed him?
No.
Daddy's home! I'd start running if I were you. You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, oh, I love a good runner! Here, Fredward. I know you're in there, Fredward! I'm gonna do. Hello there, Fredward.
No. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
I'm not gonna kill you. That's right. The man you fired is now the man on top. But like I said, I'm not trying to kill you. I just want to make things equal. I'm gonna tell you what you told me. Fredward, you're fired.